Who wants to learn how to make Cadbury's Caramilk chocolate? Of course you do, that's why you're watching. Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you how it's done and how you too can make it at home. First off, you want to place a saucepan with water in it on the stove, and while that's getting to the boil, you can prepare your chocolate. Just take your chocolate out of the packet and just break it up into the bowl. Once you have broken up all your chocolate, you can go ahead and place that on the top of the saucepan. As the water starts to heat up, you'll see the chocolate starting to melt. As the water starts to heat up, you'll see the chocolate starting to melt. When you see this, go ahead and grab a spoon and give that chocolate a slight stir. You want to make sure you stir the chocolate so as not to burn it. If you find the water heating up too much, you want to go ahead and turn the stove down, as you want to avoid any burns. Once you're satisfied that your chocolate is completely melted, go ahead and grab your can of sweetened condensed milk. Then you want to place 1 heaped tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk in there. Go ahead and thoroughly mix that through. The sweetened condensed milk helps and gives it that nice sweet flavour. Once you've had the sweetened condensed milk, you will find that it will go quite thick, but don't worry about this, it's quite normal. Then you want to go ahead and grab your Hershey's syrup. Once again, add 1 generous tablespoonful of that. Then go ahead and you want to make sure that you get all that syrup through all that chocolate mix. Once you are satisfied that it is thoroughly mixed, you can turn the stove off, and then you want to go ahead and grab a mould. You can pretty much use any mould you want, but what I've chosen to go with is a pirate dish, which I've put baking paper in it, so as that I'm not going to, so it's easier to get out later on. You want to go ahead and grab that chocolate mix, and you be careful taking it off as it is going to be very hot. And go ahead and place that chocolate mix in your mould. And then just go ahead and press that out to an even consistency. There we go. Once you're happy at an even, you want to go ahead and place that in the fridge until it's set. Once your chocolate is fully set, go ahead and remove it from the fridge. And now for the best part, the taste test. Oh, that's so good. Mmm. This tastes so good, guys. I hope you enjoy it at home too. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know how you get on. Thanks for watching.